Here's how to find your AirPods on your Android phone. Now, on your Android phone, I have a Samsung Galaxy here. You're going to first just open up Google Chrome. We can access directly the Find My feature in Google Chrome. To do that, we're going to tap on the URL bar at the very top, and we're going to type in iCloud.com. Now, once you go to iCloud.com, the very first thing you need to do is log into your Apple ID account. So just enter in the email or phone number and the password as well. After you've logged in, you'll be able to see, if I scroll down a little bit, there is the Find My feature. I can just tap on that and it will open up Find My. And you can see here is my iPhone, my MacBook Pro, and my AirPods Pro. All I need to do is just tap on it and it will zoom in directly to where my Apple AirPods Pro are. I can hit the play sound if I wanted it to play a sound so that I could find out where it is in my house or restaurant or a friend's house or anything like that. And of course on here, I could always just mark it as lost or stolen if I wanted to completely wipe it or to track it.